Welcome to the Odoo Marketing Management demo. In this short video, I'll give you a quick tour of powerful marketing tools available in Odoo, including email marketing, SMS marketing, marketing automation, and social marketing. Okay, so these tools help you connect with your audience, automate companions, and grow your business efficiently. So let's start with the email marketing. So open email marketing module. So this is the dashboard of email marketing. So with Odoo email marketing module, you can create professional email companions in minutes using a drag and drop filter. If you go into Kanban view, okay, you can segment your contact list, personalize emails, do deliveries, and track real-time performance like open rates and click rates. Okay, it's perfect for newsletters or promotions or customers follow-ups. Okay, if you want to create a mailing, so simply you can add a subject like new sale on all t-shirt or shirt. Okay, after that you can select a mailing list. Okay, and add just a coupon code. You can simply add it. Okay, you can easily drag and drop the things like the picture if you want to add a column, so simply drag and drop all these things. Okay, and if you want to schedule it, so simply click on schedule button and choose a date. Okay, if you want to send directly, so you can simply click on send button and click on add template, so this template it's added. Okay, so this is how you can simply use email marketing. Okay, mailing list, so this all are mailing lists. If you want to create mailing list, so simply click on new mailing list and add it. Okay, you have reporting section, you can simply analyze the mass mailing here, configuration settings. Okay. Link tracker, if you blacklisted the email address, or simply add the email address which you want to blacklist it, and it's working. Okay, so this is how you can create and use email marketing. So next is SMS marketing, so simply open SMS marketing module. So this is SMS marketing module. If you want to instantly reach your customer on their mobile phones, SMS marketing in Odoo is ideal. You can send bulk SMS companions from reminders, flash sales, or urgent announcements. Just like emails, you can schedule messages, segment audience, and monitor delivery results. So simply click on new button and add same as email marketing. You can simply add the title, recipients, mailing list, and SMS content. That if you want to schedule it, simply click on schedules button and add the date or okay. Firstly, you can add the title and the SMS content. If you want to compare the activity, so simply allow the A/B testing here and some settings button given here. Okay, and mailing list context option is also available here. Reporting session and blacklisted phone numbers. If you had to add blacklisted phone numbers, so it's also available. Okay, now let's look at the marketing automation. So open marketing module. So this is the dashboard of marketing module. You can design complete marketing workflows like sending a welcome email after sign up and following up with SMS after a few days, or tagging customers based on their behavior. Okay, so it's saves time and ensure that your leads and customers are always engaged at the right time. Okay, so create companion and you can add the plan and responsible person. You can add the target. Okay, add filters, add new activity. So it's sent automatically. Okay, you have a reporting option, link tracker, So this is how you can simply uh, manage marketing automation. Okay. Now, lastly, we have social marketing. So open social marketing module. So manage all your social media platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter from one place. Like you can create posts, schedule them, track engagement, and even run companions all without leaving Odoo. This helps boost your online presence and drive more traffic. Okay, so you can simply click on new post. You can add the company name and where you want to post, like in website, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube. So you can simply click on social media platforms like YouTube, Instagram, add a message. If you want to attach files, so simply click on attach file and attach it. You can add the companion when you send now or schedule later. So simply you can add the date for scheduling, notification, title, target URL, everything you are given here. You can also add the YouTube thumbnail and upload the video of YouTube. Okay, and simply click on save button. Yeah, so you can you all see all the post. Okay, if you want to create a new companion, so simply click on new button and create it. So this is all the visitors you can see here. Okay, after that you have the configuration settings option. You can add the Facebook developer account, LinkedIn. You can enable from here. Okay, all the social media accounts, everything. Okay. So with Odoo Integrated Marketing Management Tool, you can create a smart companions, automate communication, and grow your business with less effort. Everything is connected from context to lead to conversion, helping your team stay productive and result driven. Okay, so thank you for watching this demo. Start managing your marketing the smart way with Odoo. Thank you.